Let the hunt begin! All right! Uh-huh! Ha! Gotcha! Well, okay. Catch!
Not bad. I think we've already tried about 999 different ways to destroy Minecraft blocks. Only 1 point is left, Sammy.
I can't think anymore. No thoughts, Raj. I'm done.
Well, I actually have one idea. Well, it's a bit crazy, but I guess it should work.
So we have only one way now. Let's do some crafting.
Hi guys, today you'll see something unexpected.
We have to make a spectacular craft.
Yep, and this is gonna be a real Minecraft machine for blocks destruction. And this pen tube is actually a core of it. Can you believe that?
No, I can't. I have to see it with my own eyes.
Alright, seems like slimes are really suspicious today.
Just keep rolling, Roger. I want to see how this amazing mechanism works. There you go.
Crafting is also gonna be captivating. We'll make spikes and a moving truck.
Woohoo! We can crush blocks with the machine, too.
Yeah, right. Guys, are you excited? Boost your energy. Now we're going to make a hole here.
Right in the middle of the tube. You better ask an adult to help you at this stage, guys. Raj, check this out. I have zombies with a treasure chest here.
Cool, let's peek inside.
Go on.
Alright, it's time to see that treasure. Oh, these are toothpicks we're gonna need for our next step. It'll make the first spike, sharp and precise. There we go. Now we'll secure it with some glue, and it's done.
Raj, I found the scheme you drew. Can I use it and make some pieces for the machine?
Sure, buddy. I can't wait to see it. And don't forget about the tools.
Got it! Ha! Just wait for me.
Guys, it's only you and me then. Let's draw a bit.
Drawing, you said? I can bring brushes.
No, there's no need in that. It's a different kind of drawing. We use this thread to create new holes for the spikes.
Then I need to speed up. The scoop isn't ready yet.
Our first toothy tube is done. Ouch, it bites. Let's carefully leave it aside for a while. What's next?
Tack and a pulley. Don't thank me.
Sam knows what we should do. Let's put them together. All right, carefully this way. And make a fast surgical operation. Oh, perfect.
I'd say double perfect. Congratulations! We have twins here.
Let's glue these pieces to the spiky tube. On this side. And on the other, too. Now it can roll.
Let's attach it to this piece, or it'll leave scratches on the table.
Guys, Sam made this scoop out of 4 cardboard pieces.
No, it's actually 5, but this one will attach last.
Anyway, glue them all together and you'll get this structure.
Raj, here's the next piece for our craft.
Thanks, buddy. All you need to do is to attach this cardboard piece to the back. Here's what we've got.
Roger, do you think it's enough to destroy blocks?
Not really. That's why we have another copy here.
And how do we distinguish them?
That's a piece of cake. One tube will turn clockwise and another will turn counterclockwise. See?
I still don't believe it. You should persuade me.
Challenge accepted. Let's move on to the next stage. Careful, Sam.
Hey, not so fast! Uh-oh. That's not my fault.
Just a small cardboard crash, guys. Nothing to worry about. We'll carefully apply some glue to the containers and attach another cardboard piece to them. Now adjust it a little. Perfect.
Wanna get the cool turning mechanism? Here are the main ingredients.
Yep, let's work on these pieces. We'll put one end of an elastic band on the pulley.
Mix ingredients. Attach the tube to the container again.
That's right. And make a loop like this.
Easy. Hey, don't stab me. Slimes are very sensitive.
I'll help, Sammy. Here we go. And now just attach it to the band and the container.
Ah! Oopsie! Thanks, Raj. I couldn't have dealt with it myself.
Check us out. Let's make a temporary end cap and go on.
Wait! Can you show us how it works? I'm still kinda in doubt, you know.
Sure, the tubes are rolling in the opposite directions. See?
Holy cannoli! And it's only because of one small elastic loop? Nice!
I totally agree. Now let's put the shredder aside and deal with the motor. Slime engineer, did you prepare a place for it?
Here it is! Say the code phrase!
Tibidaba, cannoli, cheese?
Bingo! 3 out of 3, Roger.
Guys, this is the lower part of the truck. We'll attach wheels here, and this cut is made specifically for this motor. It fits perfectly. Now we need to attach it to the truck with perler bead pieces. But first, we'll secure the motor properly.
You wanna get a slime robot? Just attach a switcher to me!
But we still need another ingredient to make the mechanism work.
Batteries? But they need a home too, like this holder. Yes!
Yeah, and now let's team the holder with the motor and the switch. First, we'll glue the holder to the base, this way. Then you guys will need a soldering iron and an adult for help. Perfect.
Ha! On guard! Is it done, Raj? Cause I have something for ya.
Yeah, my fencing friend. We'll put 2 batteries into the holder and go on.
Check this out. I have a new weapon. Can we ask Minecraft developers to add it to the game?
Well, you can write them an email, but right now, your weapon will turn into a back axle for the wheels.
I brought pulleys for the front axle.
Thank you, Sam. Let's put them in their places. And join these pulleys with a band to make them work together. Check this out. This is how the wheels will be rolling. Awesome, I think we did a great job.
I have new teeth. Bye, teeth.
Thanks, Sammy. I'll treat them very carefully. Let's remove the temporary cap. And make a strap using an elastic band. And then goes a stopper. There.
Raj is almost all set. Your time is running out.
Let's see. Wow, it's real magic, right? Well, I mean mechanics.
Hi, monster. Dinner time will come very soon.
Guys, here are the pieces for the next part of the machine. Oh, any idea what they are?
Shiver me cheddars! We're finally making wheels!
Careful, Sam.
Whoa!
And this cardboard piece imitates a tire. Now the wheel will move even smoother. Let's add some color to make it more fun. Yeah, now we're talking. All wheels are ready.
Can't get me! I'm a slick Sam after all! Wow, I just had a power boost.
Really? I'm glad you're all right.
Hurry up! Set the wheels, Raj! Roger? Where'd you go?
I'm here, Sammy.
Oh, I've prepared lots of pieces. Stay sharp. Here's some more.
Wow, you even added a net.
Uh-huh, yep. And what do you say about this? Do I look like Mickey? And what? And tip.
Enough joking around.
I'm getting ready for the battle. Defend yourself! Ha-ha! Oopsie! Oh, okay, you can take that now.
Thanks. Sam, check this out. I added Minecraft vibes to our machine.
Cool, and I made the lid. Minecraft style, too.
Let's set it right here. What's next, Sam?
Next goes the weapon system.
Awesome job, buddy. Our machine will have 4 propellant charges on the sides. 2 big racks to store destroyed blocks. We'll have them on both sides as well. Shall we make a small upgrade? And a back wall equipped with protective nets. Don't forget about a cool bumper for extreme rides. And here comes 2 spoilers on the roof. It's like we're making a race car.
Guys, wanna have a ride? Give us a thumbs up.
Now let's put our weapon system on the roof. How do you like this laser rocket, Sammy?
Wow, cool! We can destroy all the Minecraft blocks with this! Time to color our machine!
I can do that without any brush.
No way! Wow! Our A+ Minecraft masterpiece is ready! Let's take a closer look at it! Eat any block you like, buddy.
How about ground and grass? Sounds tasty.
I knew it! You like wood more, huh? Whoop! I said whoop! Roger, I need some help here.
Sure, buddy. And hop. Ugh, I guess it doesn't like wood either. What about snow?
Let's give it a try.
Seems like it's melting.
Your hands are warm. Put them on the table.
Okay, do not fail me now. Wow, Sam, check it out. It finally worked.
Holy cannoli, we made a snowplow. A double win. I hope you liked it too. Guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
See you soon.